slick back bun. So sorry I look a little. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Mari. You should totally subscribe. Like, it only takes like 5 seconds. Like, come on. It looks like I have 4 fingers, but now I have 5 fingers. Just subscribe. It takes like 5 seconds. Just like ding, ding. Yeah, you know. Yeah, okay. So today with this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a slick back bun.
What is that?
So sorry I look a little. But we're just gonna get started because I talk too much. So first what I do is take my hair out of the ponytail. If you can. But like, it's a struggle. So you just take it out. Your ponytail. And then what I do is I get, you know, like a comb, just any comb, part right here. Is that a part? Yeah, that's a part. Good, right? Right. So now what I do is I get my spray bottle and I spray the top parts of my hair and like the back of my hair. I don't spray the bottom because I want like my bun to be big. So I don't spray the ends, I just spray the tops. Honestly, I don't comb my hair out either when I do a bun because I like it to be fluffy and, you know. So then what you're gonna do is I get some Eco Styling Gel to do my edges. My hair is dripping wet. I have too much water. Okay. So now I have a toothbrush. It's blue, that's my favorite color. Yeah, so then I just attempt to do my edges. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but hey, I'm trying. So, oh my goodness, I have to do it in the camera. Get a comb, and I brush it down, and then like over like that. Okay, and I make sure I leave the side hairs out. Like the little curl pieces. Okay, and then I just brush it all back. And I use my part is not even straight. Hold up. Ouch, 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 ouch. Is that what even, like, why can't I part it? It's not working. Oh my gosh, what is that? So I'm just gonna finish my edges. hurt. Like, that actually hurt. And then I get this. This was super big. I literally just got it. It's not even opened yet. It is Eco Styling Argan Oil. If I can open it. Okay, I could. Brush my hair back. It's about time for your pony. Then you just put it in a bun like that. Then what I do is I get my size in a spray bottle and I just spray like that. Some of this, it's curly hair products. If I can open it. I can never open stuff, so I just get a little bit and I put it on the side pieces of my hair so that they're curly and bouncy. And then the extra that I have, I just put it on my hair like that. And then I get my toothbrush because it probably still has gel on it, so I just brush down my hair like that, and then what I do is I go over my edges. That's it for the video. How to do a slick back bun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is what my hair looks like. Anyways, I